I'm the Director of Operations for VPNE Parking Solutions in Boston. I run the transportation division of my company. My company has multiple different divisions. We were having a major problem with the current dash cam / GPS provider that we had. We have approximately 110 shuttle bus type vehicles, vans and cutaways, anything from 14 to 32 passenger buses. Some of my clients are now asking me to do demonstrations of your product to sell it to them. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Price was better than the other company, number one. The AI and the dash cameras were much better than the other company that we were using as well. I really like the product. Insurance-wise, we're saving. Training-wise, we're using them, unfortunately, sometimes to have to discipline drivers, things like that. But we're definitely saving insurance-wise. We're saving with deductibles when it's not, we have an accident that's absolutely not our fault. Usually we're able to justify it through video and whatnot. We use it for coaching. We use it for training, even just, the managers. They're benefiting by us being more alert, aware, and safer. When there's a major incident, accident, or we get a complaint, we're able to research and either justify the complaint or completely overturn it and say, hey, somebody's not being completely honest with you. So I'd say, yeah, they are benefiting in the long run.